Morning, children. Today, class for ninth class. Subject is biological science. Children, we completed our first lesson, cell, its structure and functions. And after cell, we discuss about the second chapter, plant tissues. We discuss about the different type of plant tissues and their functions. Okay. Next, today we are discussing about the animal tissues. This is the third chapter of ninth class biological science. What is that one? Animal tissue. We already learnt about the plant tissues in the previous chapter. Do animals also have the same four types of tissues? And you know that one we see very means different type of animals in our surrounding, and you know that one in plant tissues they have different type of tissues, and each tissue can perform different type of functions. So let us discuss about the different type of plant tissues and their functions. Before going to that one, you know that one in animals different type of systems are there, means a different type of organs and their system. You know that one, for example, digestive system. The main function of the digestive system is digestion of food materials. And that one, respiratory system, shwasa vyavastha, its main function is nothing but respiration, breathing process you observe, and conversion of food material into energy. And you know that one, excretory system. The main function of excretory system to eliminate the waste materials from our body, means visarjaka vyavastha. You know, nervous system means coordinate our body functions, means in that one brain play a very important role, means coordination of our body. Hmm? Next, muscular system, muscles. So the movement of muscles. Skeletal system means bones, means what is the importance of bones. So different type of tissues are there to perform various type of functions in animal body. You know that one, in animals also different type of tissues also present. And we are discussing about all tissues. First of all, we are discussing about the some of the activity. So first activity is nothing but to absorb the tissue which are present in the skin part of the animal body. What? Skin part of the animal body. The main aim of the experiment is to observe the what? To observe the skin part of the animal body, and to observe the tissues which are present in the skin part of the animal body. Next, what are the apertures or material required to perform this activity? What are the apertures or material required to perform this activity? So, what are the activities majorly required to perform this activity are nothing but normally one chicken piece with a skin part. You have to collect a small chicken piece with a skin part, and one watch glass. What? Watch glass. Next, glass slide, what? Glass slide, forceps, what? Forceps and a brush. Microscope means compound microscope. Material required to perform this activity are chicken skin part, chicken skin part, next diluted hydrochloric acid, forceps, brush, watch glass, glass slide, etc. Procedure: collect a small piece of the chicken with bone from your nearest chicken center. First, collect a small piece of chicken piece along with bone from your nearest chicken center. Next, take a watch glass and fill the watch glass with some amount of diluted hydrochloric acid. Some amount of diluted hydrochloric acid. Okay, first you take one watch glass and fill the watch glass with some amount of diluted hydrochloric acid. Next, now place the chicken piece along with bone in the hydrochloric acid solution and leave the watch glass for about 2 hours. Leave the watch glass for about 2 hours. Okay, first you take one watch glass, fill the watch glass with some amount of diluted hydrochloric acid solution. Next, now place the chicken piece along with bone in the watch glass that contain diluted hydrochloric acid solution. Leave the watch glass for 2 hours. Next up, carefully take the chicken piece from the acid solution with the help of forceps. With the help of forceps. Okay. Carefully take out the chicken piece from the acid solution with the help of forceps. You should not directly touch the chicken piece. Why? Because nothing but we place the chicken piece in the acid solution. You know that one, children, the acids are very dangerous. When you touch the acids, unfortunately, even some drops of acids maybe fall on your skin. It causes severe burns. So carefully perform this experiment under the guidance of teacher. Okay, and do not touch the acid solution. It may be cause severe burns. Okay, next, now take a glass slide and place the skin part of the chicken piece. Means nothing but you have to separate the only skin part of the chicken from the bone. Means nothing but we want to observe the tissues in skin part. So the chicken piece contain the muscles also, bones. So we have to separate the skin from the muscles and bones. So only place the skin part of the chicken on the glass slide. Next, now place another glass slide over this glass slide. Okay, first we are taking one glass slide and we are placing one of the small skin part of the chicken. After placing that chicken part, you have to cover the glass slide with another glass slide. Next, now take one cover slip and put the slide under the microscope and observe the tissues that you observe under the microscope. We observe that a small roundish cells. We observe small roundish cells that are arranged in a particular sequence under the microscope. These are the nothing but epithelial tissues. These are the nothing but what? Epithelial tissue. So result is nothing but what? We observed a group of cells that are arranged in a particular sequence. These tissues are called as epithelial tissues. Means in skin part we observe which tissues? Epithelial tissues. Children, one time carefully observe the epithelial tissue under the microscope. Okay, children, one time carefully observe the epithelial tissue under the microscope. We observe that when most of the cells of the epithelial tissues are look alike, means same ga kanipistayi, and they are arranged in continuous sheath. Means continuous sheath means like a membrane. We observe that one that are arranged in a continuous form. Next they are means in between one cell to the another cell there is no gap, means there is no intercellular space is present in the epithelial tissues. Okay, there is no intercellular space is present in between the epithelial tissue. Normally this epithelial tissues covers our body and protects our internal parts of our body. So this is about the first activity. Children, now we are discussing about the another activity. The aim of the activity is to observe the different type of cells in the blood. What? To observe the different types of cells in the blood. Why? Because nothing but the blood also one type of tissues. When you carefully observe the blood under the microscope, we observe the red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. Means different type of cells are present in the blood. So and the water also present in the plasma form. So that's why the blood also considered as one of the important tissue in our body. One of the important tissue in our body. So in the second activity, the aim is to observe the different type of cells in blood. Next materials required is nothing but one sterilized needle. One sterilized needle and alcohol solution. What? Alcohol solution and glass slides. What? Glass slides, cover slip. What? Cover slip, compound microscope. Compound microscope, cotton also. What? Cotton. Okay, material required one sterilized needle or one sterilized syringe needle, spirit or alcohol solution, cotton, glass slides, cover slip, compound microscope. Procedure: first you take sterilized syringe needle. First you take sterilized syringe needle. What is the meaning of sterilized? Means nothing but children, the microorganisms are present everywhere. So we have to use new syringe, means that is sterilized needle that is not contaminated with any microorganism. Next collect one drop of blood from your any fingertip by pricking the syringe needle. Pricking means guchadam. By pricking the syringe needle. Okay. collect nearly 1 drop of blood from your any fingertip by pricking with a syringe needle. After collection of blood with syringe, immediately cover the fingertip with the alcohol soaked cotton ball. Alcohol soaked cotton ball. Next, now take one glass slide and put a drop of blood on the slide. Okay, now take one glass slide, put a drop of blood on the glass slide. Now take another glass slide. Now take another glass slide and cover this glass slide over the previously placed glass slide. Next, now gently press the two glass slides. Now gently press the two glass slides. Now place one of the cover slip over the glass slide. Now place the one of the cover slip over the glass slide. Now place the glass slide under the microscope and carefully observe the slide under the microscope. We observe the red blood cells under the microscope that are round in shape, and different type of white blood cells means they have different shapes of nucleus, means various structures, and a small dot structure that are platelets. So when you carefully observe the blood under the microscope, we observe the red blood cells, means RBC, or erythrocytes. The red blood cells also called as what? Erythrocytes. Next, different types of white blood cells are leukocytes. The white blood cells also called as leukocytes, and platelets. What? Platelets. The platelets also called as thrombocytes. The platelets also called as what? Thrombocyte. Next, children, this is about the observation of different type of cells in the blood. Next, children, we are discussing about the another activity to observe the muscular tissue in the given sample. Okay, the main aim of the activity is to observe the muscular tissue in the given sample. Next, material required: one chicken piece with bone, means same in first activity we perform the activity by using that chicken piece only. Same in this activity also we need chicken piece with bone. Next, watch glass, glass slide, cover slips, diluted hydrochloric acid solution, compound microscope, forceps, brush. Forceps, brush. Procedure: first, take a piece of chicken. Next, take some amount of diluted hydrochloric acid solution in a watch glass. Take some amount of diluted hydrochloric acid solution in watch glass and place the muscular part of the chicken piece in the watch glass that contains diluted hydrochloric acid solution. Next, leave the watch glass for about 2 hours. Leave the watch glass for about 2 hours. After that one, collect the chicken piece with the help of forceps and Place the chicken piece on the glass slide. Place the chicken piece on the glass slide. Next, place another glass slide over this glass slide. Press the two glass slides gently. Now cover the slide with cover slip. Now cover the slide with cover slip. Next, put the slide under the microscope and observe the muscular tissue under the microscope. Normally, in this solution, instead of HCl solution, means hydrochloric acid solution, we can also use that one vinegar, means nothing but acetic acid solution. Acetic acid solution. So, when we observe the muscular part under the microscope, we observe the cells that are elongated in shape, means పొడవుగా ఉన్న cells, and here and there we also observe that some nucleus also there, and all cells means normally these are long cells, they are continuously arranged. So these are which cells? Muscle cells. In this way we observe the muscular tissue under the microscope. Thank you, children.